how to uninstall any software. This is a software installed accidentally. So how to uninstall this software? Go to search panel, type control panel, open it, click on program in a system, click on program and future, search the software name, start from the S, click in here S, I. This means the software is installed from the S. I think it slides. I think it is not installed. Any software installed, click on this. Supports means click on any software, means I am click on the Avast antivirus and click on yes, click on uninstalled, yes, restore uninstalled and continue it. Ask for the option why you uninstall this software, expired is the reason, and continue it. Other options, survey, and this software is installed. Click restart or restart later. I am not working on the computer. This cause I am not restart the computer. I am restart later. And you check is uninstall the antivirus. Who uninstall the any of software, any software. Okay, thank you for giving your time. Or you want to learn more ethical hacking, please contact on me.